This video will show you how to take apart the cap of your Pelikan fountain pen or rollerball pen if you have unfortunately damaged the clip or damaged any part of the cap. The cap is made up of 4 individual pieces, and you'll need a little rubber O-ring as shown in the video here to remove the clip nut, which is the first stage of disassembly. We don't recommend using any pliers as this may damage the clip nut. It'll be quite tight when it's assembled from the factory, but it should come off with a bit of persuasion. Once the clip nut is removed, you'll be able to see the threaded section on the piece underneath, and the clip now will easily slide off. As you can see here on the inside of the clip, there is an opening which locates onto the cap, which I'll try and show you now. It's a little bit difficult because it's very small and detailed, but there is a locating area on the cap for the clip to be held onto. And this part should line up with the base of the Pelikan logo. This will ensure that the clip is always lined up with the logo and also does not spin around the cap and cause any damage when in use. If you watch here, at the top of the cap you'll see that the clip clicks into place just with a bit of gentle pressure. So to remove the next part of the cap, if you take the pen out, up to now this has been holding it in, simply slides out as you can see here. This internal sleeve, now it's out, has got some locating lugs in it, which again hold it in place inside the cap so that everything lines up once it's reassembled. It will be possible to put this in the wrong way because there are several locating clips. They're a little bit difficult to see here in this video because again of such minute detail, but I'll try to show you putting it back in how it locates. If you use the pen now to line up these lugs, you'll see it'll just take persuasion back and forth, and then when it finds the location and you screw the pen back into the lid, you can see the threads reappear at the top of the cap. So now you reverse the process, line the clip up with the locating notch, and then reattach the clip nut by screwing it into place by turning it clockwise so it's a standard thread. Then use this little rubber O-ring again to tighten it up so that everything stays put. And there you have it.